Welcome on board Icon of the Seas. Today we are touring a ocean view balcony room, and the room number is 7588.
Hey everybody, I'm Dawson from Duck Cruiser, and let's hop straight into it.
Stepping right inside of your room, you have a couch over here which can turn into a pull-out bed if you really need it to. You also have a closet space to put all of your stuff, and a new concept that they have on board, which are baskets to put whatever else you might need.
I forgot to mention this in the original clip, but there's also another closet with the safe on the side of the main closet and next to the bathroom door. There's also the thermostat, which has access to the temperature and all of the lights in the room. The cool thing is with the Royal Caribbean app, you can access the thermostat, which has the lights and temperature along with the TV, and as long as you're connected to the ship's Wi-Fi, you can use it and change it.
Over on the side, you have a desk where you can do whatever you might need, and there's plenty of USB plugs. There's USB-C, there's an outlet, a European plug, and some light switches to control. You also have plenty of storage and drawers with your mini fridge. On the other half of the cabin is where your bed is located. Now the bed can be separated, but in this case it is put together, and on the side of the bed you have plenty of plugs and where the phone is located. The bed has a great view of the TV, which provides all the channels like safety channels and a few entertainment channels, and over across from the TV you have more USB plugs and some storage. Stepping outside of your stateroom, you have your personal private balcony. Now this balcony does have a table, two lounge chairs with a footrest, and great views of the ocean because it is an ocean balcony. Right off the entrance of your stateroom is the bathroom. Now the bathroom, I will say, is kind of small. You have your toilet over here and your sink here with it off to the side. A few bits of storage here, a mirror, some storage here with the trash can, and the shower door, which does open a little weird. But in here, you do get a seat, so there is a benefit. And honestly, the shower is pretty nice, but the inside the bathroom is not that big. A quick side note is if you are looking to buy this specific room, 7588, it does around 10 o'clock at night. The piano bar is right under this. The whole room vibrates and it gets very loud at night. So I'm assuming the rooms next to us to our right and left, maybe a few down, are also like this. So if you are considering buying this room, take that into consideration. But most of the rooms are not going to be like this. That concludes today's tour. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And for more content similar to this, make sure to subscribe and like our channel. It helps us out a lot. And I do hope you guys will always remember to have a ducky day.